Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today you want to stay till the end of this video because this is gonna be some deliciousness. So look at this, look how cheesy and creamy this jerk chicken cheese fries is. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you, you want to be here for this. Look at that. You get a nice little heat from the jerk chicken and the jalapeños, nice crispiness from the fries. And oh my goodness, I must tell you, this is one of our #1 sellers in the restaurant that we had for 2 years. And this is a well-requested video from all of my customers from there. So please stay tuned because we are gonna have a party in here today, okay?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrian and today we're gonna be making jerk chicken cheese fries. So today we're going to be transforming rotisserie chicken. So this is something that you can pick up in your local grocery store, and then we're going to transform this into jerk. So we have our pulled rotisserie chicken, we have our jalapeños, we have our french fries, we have our shredded cheese, and then we're going to fry these with our jerk chicken cheese fries. We're going to start with our rotisserie chicken. And then we're going to use the Grace jerk seasoning, which is the wet jerk. And then this is our homemade jerk sauce. So we're going to heat the pan with a little bit of oil. Then we're going to add maybe a half a teaspoon of our jerk spice. And then some jerk sauce to coat that. And then we're going to fry up our fries. Top it with our jalapeno and chicken mix. And then top it with the shredded cheese and bake it for about 3 to 5 minutes. So I'll take you through the process, okay? Keep watching.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we have our pan heated right here. We're gonna add maybe a teaspoon of oil to our pan. After we add that, then we're gonna add our pulled rotisserie chicken along with the jalapenos. As you can see, we have our french fries frying up nicely. Once these are done, so we heat the oil until it's nice and hot. And then we're going to make sure we make these fries nice and crispy. And then we're going to top these with our jerk chicken blend and our cheese. And then we're going to top that with some house-made spicy mayo. Okay? So guys, we have our oven heated at 350 where we're going to do our fries. So right here we have 3 tablespoons of mayo and 3 tablespoons of Texas Pete hot sauce, and we're gonna stir this all together to make our sauce for the top of the fries. Okay, I'll see you when we start assembling. As you can see, we have our crispy fries, and then we're gonna spread our chicken and jalapeno mixture all over the top of the fries until it's evenly distributed. You can see those steam coming out of everything right here. Add all that on top of it, on top of your fries. Doesn't that look so delicious? Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a feast in your mouth. Whew. I must tell you, I'm super excited about this because this will definitely be an experience for everybody who likes Jamaican food and the Caribbean food on a whole. This was one of our favorite menu item on our menu at the restaurant that we had for 2 years. And then we're gonna top this with our blended cheese on top of there. Get a lot of cheese on there because we want it to be nice and cheesy. And then we're gonna put this in our 350 degrees oven to get nice and melty, and then we're gonna top that with our spicy mayo. So I'll see you guys very soon. So after about 3 to 5 minutes, the cheese is nice and melted on top of our fries. Oh my goodness, these look so good. I wish you were here to try some of that. And then also our spicy mayo, we did add a little bit of black pepper to it So we're gonna sprinkle that right over the top of our fries. Doesn't that look heavenly? And then we're gonna top that with some slices of scallions. All right, so I'll see you for the taste test in just a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrian, and today you're here at Adrian Simpson Unfiltered. Why the name Unfiltered? Because these videos are one take, no editing, so you get the raw truth of how everything is, whether it's a fail, yes or no. So we're gonna dig into our jerk chicken cheese fries, take a close look on that. Oh my goodness. So we have our crispy fries, or jerk chicken, jalapeños, shaved scallions, topped with our spicy mayo, which is homemade. 3 ingredients: mayo, hot sauce, and black pepper. Let's take our first bite into this deliciousness, and we're gonna come so close to the camera that you're almost tasting it with us. Oh my goodness. So, personally, I don't like sour cream, so if you can't handle the heat, then maybe you should have sour cream instead of the spicy mayo. But the spicy mayo is not too spicy, and it has a nice element to this. Oh my goodness. This is what dreams are made of. I must tell you, I wish you were here right now, because this is so amazing. Nice with this cold weather that's coming up on us. A little bit of heat is so perfect for that. And I must tell you, these fries are so delicious. Everything is so amazing. Look at that. Take a look. Look how cheesy that is. Oh my. And you'll see the recipe. If you want a lot spicier, then you can add more of that wet jerk, more of that jerk sauce. You can source your own jerk sauce, maybe on Amazon, Walmart.com, or some people live in major cities that you'll be able to find it. Oh my goodness. Let me take a step back. This is so delicious. I'm telling you guys, you gotta try this recipe at home. It's simple. It's done in less than maybe 10 minutes, with the exception of the fry. I'm going to drink some water. All right, we're gonna take one more bite, and then I'm gonna save the rest for you if you want it, okay? Oh my goodness, I'm telling you. And you can stack it with more cheese if you want. Look at that. Just look how cheesy. Look at the chicken, the jalapenos. Everything is so amazing. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, this recipe is so easy, so amazing. I want to tell you guys, thank you for all the love that you've been showing me. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And guess what? This jerk chicken recipe, this is not the end of it, because we have so much more things that we're gonna play with using this recipe. So we have our tropinon. This is thing that we call tropinon that we had at the restaurant, which is so delicious. It's non-bread, topped with jalapenos, pineapple, cheese, and everything like that. So if you want to see that, please smash the like button on this. Let's get this to 20 likes, and we'll definitely do that recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you all.